Hi everybody, just a brief screencast to help you through Chapter 2's problem number 1. The biggest trick with this problem is understanding the layout. So this is your actual problem, as you will see in Cengage when you go on to complete it. And just to help you get started, remember that every time you are buying inventory, chances are you will pay a different price. So if we look at this problem, the biggest trick is to keep our layers intact. And layers are those buckets of inventory with different purchase prices. So it looks here like I have one bucket on May 1st. At some point, I have acquired 360 units of inventory, and I paid $7 each for them. Okay? So let's look at May 4th. What happens on May 4th? Well, we're going to have to fill in what our ending inventory is. Well, we have some information down here. It's telling us that we purchased an additional 250 units, and we paid $9 each for them. So I have still this initial bucket of $360, 360 units at $7 each for a total of $2,520. And I have just added to my inventory 250 units. I paid $9 for each of these units. Because I have a different purchase price, I am creating a different layer or bucket. Okay? And this brings us to 2250, I believe. Okay? If we check my work, that's correct. So as you go through the problem, each time you incur a new date, you look at what's happening on that date. So on May 10th, we purchased nothing, but instead issued means we've used some. How many did we use? We used 410. So how am I going to pull from my existing inventory 410 units? I'm going to pull it on a first in, first out basis. My first in is 360 units at $7. That's $2,520. Okay, so I've used up that whole layer. That's now gone. But I needed more than 360. I need 410. So I need an additional 50. So I go to the remaining layer of 250, and I will take 50 at $9 out. That's $450. So that's $29.70 if you add up those two figures, $29.70. But now what's remaining? So that's my cost of goods sold. Over here, or cost of materials issued for this particular problem. Over here, I have to still say, well, what's remaining in inventory? Well, this layer is gone. I've used it all up. Okay, all this information is now included in here, the amount issued. I also used up 50 units from my 250 units that were available. And what do I have remaining? 200 units at $9 for an ending inventory balance of 1,800. Okay, so we check those, and those are fine. I think with this information you can go ahead and complete the problem, but it accomplishes two things. One, to help you in this chapter understand the objectives fully, but it also gives you a little bit of refresher in financial accounting and our inventory costing methods. All right, good luck with that, and if you have any other questions, let me know.